Good morning from Cabo San Lucas, the place full of Americans spending all their money and partying the night away. We had to get here very early this morning from La Paz. We had to wake up at, I think it's 4 in the morning, 4:15 in the morning. Yeah. And then we had to walk about an hour to get our coach from La Paz to...
In the dead of the night.
In the dead of the night, it's pitch black. But we did it, didn't we? Pretty much barefoot as well, didn't we? Yeah. We only brought our flip-flops with us. We left our bags in La Paz because we're going back there tomorrow evening. So unfortunately, we're only in Cabo San Lucas for one day. We haven't really got much planned. We got a little something planned for tonight, haven't we? Yeah. Which we're very much looking forward to. But apart from that, we've got nothing planned for today. But yeah, let's go see what Cabo has to offer.
Just had a really nice breakfast at the Marina and now we've got ourselves some magnums.
It's never too early for an ice cream, especially when you're in Mexico. Oh, you just dropped chocolate everywhere. Waste not, want not. Hey. And there's no better place in Mexico to eat your ice cream than by the side of a busy road. So we just come out of the Marina in Cabo San Lucas now, and we're heading towards the beach. And just a little side note, if you are coming to Cabo, be prepared to be hassled, like especially on the Marina, isn't it? Like you can't walk 2 yards without someone trying to sell you something or someone trying to hassle you. It's the same things over and over. Someone's saying, oh, you want to go see the arch, you want to go get on a boat, you want to go fishing. And it's cool, I get it, like people need business here and they know tourists are going to come, so they hassle you as much as they can. Everyone's got a hustle here and I respect that, but it comes to a point where it gets a bit annoying, doesn't it? Yeah. But that's Cabo, man. If you want chilled vibes, go to La Paz. La Paz is beautiful, just as good so far anyway, and not everyone hassles you over there, so just a little side note. And also we have noticed it's very, very expensive here, isn't it? How much did that bottle of water cost, Luce? 40 pesos is about $2. And everywhere else we've been in Mexico so far, it's been about 14 pesos, which is probably about 50p, maybe less than 50p, 50 cent. So yeah, everything here is like 4 times the price it is anywhere else in Mexico. But we were warned in advance that Cabo is one of the, if not the most expensive place in Mexico because of all the tourism and stuff.
And that's why we're only here for one day.
And that's why we're here for one day, indeed. Anyway, let's go to the beach. Vamos a la playa.
We've just come off Playa La Empacadora and we're heading back to the Marina to get a drink and maybe some food. What do you think of the beach?
So Playa La Empacadora is like the local beach, the one that's closest to the Marina and the city centre. It's quite a small beach, and because all the locals go there plus a few tourists, it becomes very crammed, very packed. So it's not the most comfortable beach to come on, but visually it's fairly pretty. But yeah, what do you think?
Yeah, I don't know. It's an okay beach. There's prettier ones around here, but the closest one to us was that one.
Exactly. And we are aware that there are a lot nicer beaches in the area. I think it's Playa Romantica and Playa Divorce or something like that.
Playa Lovers and Playa Divorce.
That's the one. I'm glad someone was paying attention.
And there were some further ones as well, but this was the closest one to us, this one.
The other ones do look gorgeous, but we're on a time limit as we said before, so this is the closest beach we could come to today. But yeah, anyway, as Lucy said, let's go get some grub and have a few drinks.
Let's go.
So similar to how it was in Tijuana, there seems to be an awful lot of pharmacies here in Los Cabos. And that's, as I said before in the previous video in Tijuana, is because lots of Americans come over here and they buy the drugs cheap. And in the US it's a lot more expensive to buy the drugs. So they come over here, buy all the meds and take them back to the US. So if you've got a pharmacy over here, business is booming.
We're just walking down the port now, waiting to get on our sunset cruise that we've been looking forward to all day.
Yeah, let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly. I'm super fly, I know I'm super fly.
Yeah.
Joanna,